Hello, students. Today we are going to discuss the next part of our topic of the same chapter only. Maybe you all remember that last day I discussed about the different branches of physical geography, where I discussed about the under the different branches of the physical geography, the first topic, the different parts of physical geography. Then I discussed about the different parts of the human geography, but the biogeography part was left. So today I will going to start with this biogeography part, and side by side I will discuss about the different regional approaches also. Now the biogeography. We know about the biogeography. Biogeography is a study of the distribution of the species or distribution of different plants or animals or ecosystem in a geographical space or in a geographical time also. It discusses about the different biological communities, different their geographical locations in different elevations, different latitude and all, and their habitat and all. Now this biogeography having four parts, that is the plant geography, zoogeography, ecosystem or ecology, and environmental geography. Now you all already know about the plant geography. Plant geography means in this particular subject we are studying about the spatial pattern of natural vegetation in their habitats. It means that we are going to read about the distribution of the plants and vegetables and their environmental relationship which may influence their distribution. That means like all the plants and animals you will not find in a same place, that is affected by their position or by their location, maybe their latitudinal position, maybe their climatic condition. So in the plant geography we are discussing about that only. Now the zoo geography. Zoo geography studies about the spatial pattern and the geographical characteristics of animals and their habitats. In the plant geography, it's only about the plants. In zoo geography, it's about the animals only. Like different distribution pattern of the animals and as well as their habitats, where they stay, in which kind of the climatic condition, which latitude and all. Now the third one is environmental geography. Environmental geography is a very known subject to all of us. It is a branch of geography which describes or explain about the interaction between the human being with their societies, with their natural environment. Sometimes it is human environment system also. Environmental geography, side by side, it also discuss about the different environmental problems such as the pollution, concern about the conservation and all. And it is one of the new branch of the geography, we can say. Now the next part is, it is ecology, or we can say it is the ecosystem. It deals with the scientific study of the habitat or characteristics of the species. It is a branch, that is a branch of science obviously, or we can say it is a branch of geography also. This is the study of the organisms and these organisms where they are live in. Now up to this, biogeography was the part of the systematic approach of geography. At the beginning only I said systematic, there are two branches, one is the regional approach and another one is the systematic approach. According to the systematic approach there are three divisions. One is physical geography, another one is human geography, third one is biogeography, which I had discussed today only. Now this branch is having more subdivisions also. Now the second one, that is a branches of geography based on the regional approach. Maybe you remember about the regional approach. Regional approach means, regional approach is the opposite concept of the systematic approach, where we are going to read about a particular region, or where we are going to read about suppose a particular type of the thing. Suppose equatorial rainforest, we will go first read, we will identify, we will discuss, and then we are going for the bigger prospects. So according to the regional approach of the geography, our subject has been divided into again four branches. The branches names you can see: the regional studies, regional planning, regional development, and the regional analysis. All the things are based on the region only. Now regional studies is a subject, or it's a field of research where the people are researching about the different regions, or they are studying about the different regions, their culture, their different kind of the things. This comprising the macro, meso, and micro regional studies. You will study the region as a whole, you will study the region in a very small part or in a medium part only. Now the next one is regional planning. Regional planning means it's required for all the things planning. Here regional planning, it deals with the efficient placement of the land use activities, infrastructure, settlement of an area. Regional planning is related with urban planning as well as it is related with the rural planning also. Now the next one, it is the regional development. Obviously by the term only we can understand regional development. It is a process where we are we want to develop the particular region. Suppose a region that is underdeveloped, or suppose a region where they are not getting the opportunities and all. So in this concept subject we are going to discuss about how you can develop a region. That could be a domestic region, that could be international area, so on. And the last topic, that is regional analysis. We are analyzing the regions only. There are two aspects which is very common to every disciplines. One is philosophy, another one is methodology or techniques. Now under this philosophy of geography we are having geographical thoughts. Geographical thoughts is a subject which having some ideas of geography. Suppose who first coined this term, who first like developed the concept of geography, what were the ideology of the geography, or suppose what was the initial things about the geography. That is only the geographical thought. The next one is human ecology. Human ecology means here they are only discussing about the interaction between the land and human. Now the second part of the this regional analysis is methodological part. Methodology means techniques. The first technique, it is the cartography. The simple meaning of cartography is it is a map making science. Cartography is a term. The meaning of the term is it is a map making science is called cartography. The people, those who are researching or those who are learning about how to make the map of the world or different parts and all, this study itself called the cartography. And now the cartography techniques has improved, and now we are having this computerized cartographic technique. That means we are making these maps not by our hand, with the help of the computer and all. Now the statistical techniques, this is also called the quantitative techniques also. This is a very common thing in geography. In geography we are having statistics, we need to do lots of sums and we need to do lots of calculations, and this is a part of regional approach. Next one is the field survey. Field survey method, we are going to the place, we are directly visit that place, we are getting the information about that place. It could be a socio-economic field survey, it could be a river survey, it could be a mountain survey, anything. And the last one that we are having, geoinformatics. Geoinformatics is a subject where it is a computer based programming subject, where under this you can get the GPS, the remote sensing and all that thing, the GIS also. In case of GIS means it is a GPS means it is a global positioning system. Now remote sensing means suppose you are sitting over here and you can get the data from different part of the world. So we are using the satellites and all. So remote sensing is a study about that. So in case of the regional analysis also we are having a particular part that is called the geoinformatics, and geoinformatics having GIS, GPS as well as the remote sensing also. So this is a small discussion on the regional analysis. You only need to go through these names and you only need to read a short note about the regional analysis. But whereas in case of a systematic one or systematic division of geography or systematic approach of classification, you need to go for it for a long answer. Thank you.